15 minutes after 12 on your Thursday afternoon. Here's a look at Warner Robins, Watson Boulevard. Overcast skies, still a little bit of sun peeking through. 82 degrees. The current temperature, winds out of the west-southwest at about 6 miles an hour. Here's a look at live radar. Got a little bit of activity going on now to the south and to the east. There's some showers near McRae pushing into southern Lawrence County. Also a few showers there in Johnson County, Emmanuel County. Those also moving to the north and to the east. That's going to be the story as we head through the day today. General motion is going to be more northeasterly or more northerly as we head through the next few hours. Temperatures in the low 80s for the most part. 83 here in Macon. I said just a minute ago it was 9 years ago today when we were 108 degrees in Macon, so certainly much better than that. 81 in Unadilla and Montezuma, and 81 in Thomaston just after noon. Here we go with the dew points. A little sticky outside, 74 there in Warner Robins, 72 in Macon, 74 in Gordon, 70 in Wrightsville. So it's a little sticky, but it could be worse. We could be talking about 76, but luckily we're not. Here's the story through the day today. Some scattered showers around 6 p.m. But then watch up to the north here. Here comes the influence from our cold front. So 10 a.m. tomorrow, some heavier rain possible just to the north of Forsyth and South Metro Atlanta. That's going to begin to push into central Georgia through the afternoon hours. Now the IDC festivities start around 5. Here we go with rain across Macon, Warner Robins, all the way down to Cordele around 3. Roll the clock forward to 5. We might see some lingering showers as the actual front rolls through, but I think we're going to see the heaviest rain to the south of Warner Robins as IDC gets underway right around 5 o'clock tomorrow. Then that front's going to come through, might see a lingering shower through the overnight hours, and then for the weekend, rain chances are going to be primarily to the south. So here's what we're talking about for IDC. Temperatures in the 80s. Let's get the front through here. It'll make everything so much better down in Warner Robins. As soon as the front comes through, the winds will pick up just a little bit, and our humidity will begin to fall in central Georgia. And it'll stay that way through the weekend. We're looking at low humidity for Saturday and Sunday. Showers that we will see will be to the south, 89 degrees for your Saturday, and then 90 for the 4th of July. Here's a look at the humidity and the dew points. Notice the shift of the winds coming out of the north now. Dew points in the 60s versus the 70s, so it's not going to feel fall-like outside, but it is going to be noticeably drier across central Georgia. Now we do have our eye on the tropics. Early this morning, Tropical Storm Elsa formed in the central Atlantic Ocean, packing winds of about 45 miles an hour, and this thing is booking it to the west at 28 miles an hour. This is abnormal for a tropical system to be moving this fast, but notice this cone here getting pretty close to Key West, Florida there Tuesday at about 8 a.m. as a tropical storm. Now we've got some different factors playing into this forecast. Here's a look at the spaghetti models. Notice they're in consensus taking it towards Cuba, but then diverge once it gets towards Florida. So we're going to have to fine-tune this forecast as we move into the weekend and as it gets better organized. Here's a look at two of our bigger models. The GFS keeping a stronger storm down here in the Caribbean. The Euro detecting a weakening in this ridge from the front that we have rolling through central Georgia today. And that might take it up the coast, but I think we're probably going to see it move into the Gulf of Mexico. And then central Georgia is in place. So how much influence does that high pressure have on the storm? Will it keep it to the south of us? That's some question that we're going to have to answer in the coming days. 88 degrees the high temperature today with scattered showers and storms, perhaps a lingering shower as we head into the evening hours, an overnight low of about 69 degrees. Here's your 7-day forecast. 81 degrees for your Friday. Can you believe it? We are more than 10 degrees below the average for the average high on Friday, but we're back in the 90s for Sunday and Monday with 86 degrees on Tuesday. Caitlin?